Good morning and welcome back to another video. So I actually just woke up and apparently David's already at the garage. So let's see if it's true. Where is he? I don't see him. Yeah, I see him. Oh, yep, I see him. It's right there. So what we're gonna be tackling today, in this day that finally got a little bit warmer and we're able to work in the garage, we're going to be tackling the fact that we're putting the new bleeder screws on the calipers going on the car, and that's pretty much it for this. So then the car should be able to get dropped on its own weight and drive and brake under its own power, which is a goal for today. So I actually forgot the bleeder screws inside the house. So let me go get those and change them out.
Yeah, I just need two. Oh no, four?
No, two away.
For which side is it?
Yeah, just two. Yeah, just two.
Hey, quick question.
So again with the sole thing, you see how these bleeder screws are all old and everything, and well, the calipers just got powder coated, so I wanted them to look nice, so I wanted to get new bleeder valves. And those are very specific. They have a very short thread and they're very short and stubby. So I found the ones from Brembo, like it even came with a little manual to how to install them. But they're right here. It's just literally 4 and they're little caps. And they sell them by twos, not by a set of 4. They sell them by a set of 2. These things were expensive, literally 23 bucks for just 2. We got those bleeder screws on now. That looks way better. I do have to re-tap this one again because I did spin it usual. But yeah, so now we got the new bleeder screws on and we've already accomplished what we were wanting to. We just have to re-tap it again. Whoa! And once we re-tap it, we'll be able to bleed the system and then get this car out of here. Hopefully by today it gets out of here, so that way we can get it ready for the wrap, which we're going to be showing you guys in the next video. We're not going to tell you the color yet because it's going to be a secret, right David?
Yeah, bro.
And David's over here doing the work, you know.
I'm a grease monkey.
Future Miguel here. As you could tell, I got a haircut and everything. That's not the point why I'm recording this. The point is, we stopped recording because we got really mad at the fact that we were not able to fully install the brembos, and this is the reason why. As you guys can see, that I ended up spinning one of the bleeder screws from the passenger side caliper, and what ended up happening was I took it to the shop again where the guy powder coated them and everything. And I told him to just re-tap it, and he wasn't able to re-tap it because the threads were already worn out. So I got one of these. I'll put it right here on the screen. And basically what he did was make the hole bigger so we can fit that in, so that way we can make it work. So he did that and everything. We brought it back to the garage and we started to put it back on the car. And once we got it on with the brake line and everything, found out that it was gone. The caliper was fully done. I wasn't gonna helicoil it or anything. Didn't want to be risky with it. So what I ended up doing was I ordered something from 2J Racing, which you guys will see in the next video. I'm not going to tell you guys about it just yet. So that's what's coming up for the car now. And after that we're going to wrap it, because we tried to wrap it a few days ago, but it was like 45 degrees outside and the wrap wasn't cooperating. Like we weren't able to stretch it under its own temperature. So we're gonna wait until it gets a little bit hotter out, so that way we can have a bit more work with it. That's why we are not uploading probably for the next maybe week or so until the order comes in. And then once that comes in, then we'll send the rims to get powder coated and everything in a special color as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys do like the content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and like the videos, comment. I always love responding to you guys. And I love the fact that there's more B15 guys out there watching. So thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys next time.